In this video, I will show you how to change region in Steam. To do this, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've done that, come and click onto your profile name up in the top right hand corner, just where it says manage accounts. And from this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto account details. Once you're in your account details, what you want to do is come down to this option here, where you can see you can update your store country. Give that a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this. Of course, by changing your regional country, that affects what you see on the Steam store, the currency you see prices in, and of course the currency of your wallet. So to actually update this, all you need to do is complete your first purchase using a payment method from that country. And if your location differs from your current Steam account store country setting, you'll have the option to change your store region whilst you view your cart or as you complete your purchase. So that is how to change region in Steam. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.